Ah, it's
Like kilometers and meters.
it's kilometers and
Like
meters.
this.
Oh,
Like this.
I see. It's area. I see, I see. Okay, wait for a while. I have something. Okay. So, do you find it easy, that lesson, or is it difficult?
It's easy.
It's easy. Nice. That's very nice to hear. So I create an example here. So for example, something like this. So this is a rectangle, by the way. And if we have how do I if this is 10 here meters, and this here is 15 meters, what do you think is the area for this part here? Cm squared, okay. But by the way, this is in meters. In meters. So our answer should be also be in meters. Yeah. So yeah, that's it. Oh, okay. Let's check if it's correct. So we have 10 times 15. And we also have meters. We should never ever forget the meters or the unit. After that, we have 5 times 0, 0. We have 5. 1 times 0 and 1. So if we 0, 5, 1. And since we have two m's, so it's technically just m and a 2, a small 2. It means it means meter squared. Do you know how to read this? Meter squared?
Yeah, we're doing that right now.
They're doing that right now. Yeah, that's how you do it. So this is for a rectangle. I mean, okay, how about another, it's the same shape. It's still a rectangle, but different number, I guess. What if it's like this? This is 5 here. And this here is centimeter. And this one here is 7 centimeter. How do you solve that? Square, that's it. So, but what if it's like this, Gwen? If it's, what happens if instead of my rectangle is lying horizontally, it's like this, and it's 7 and 5. Is it the same? Is this one the same with the other one? This one? Will they have the same answer?
Yes.
Yes. Very nice. So, how about for a square? So I'm just testing out how well you are performing before we move on to a difficult lesson. Is that okay? Are you okay with a difficult lesson or no?
I'm fine with it.
Okay.
Oh, my brother Elijah said you were an engineer.
Who's your brother?
Elijah.
Oh, your brother's with Elijah. Yeah, I'm already an engineer.
Nice.
Yeah. I think I've become an engineer just last June. Yeah, last June. So I'm a new engineer. And even though I'm an engineer, I really like teaching kids. So I teach kids for the meantime before I find an engineer job. Yeah. So how about this? For example, this is a square. Let's just say this one here is 8 kilometers. How would you solve this? It's a square.
Are they both the same size?
Yes, they are the same size. If it's a square, it's the same size. And if it's a rectangle, they're not the same. Very good. Now, let's move on to a different shape. Do you know how to answer a triangle?
No, not yet.
Not yet. Do you want to, or do you think it's a bit advanced for you?
A bit advanced.
A bit advanced. Okay. Let's not go there. Let's not go there yet. So, how about if it's still okay, a different twist. Let's just say it's still a rectangle, but how about this one here is, let me think of a number. 150 cm, and this here is 20 meters. Now, can you solve that? They're different. The other one is meter, the other one is centimeter. Do you think you could solve that? Not yet. Okay, this is where I will teach you. So, do you know what the relationship between meter, centimeter, kilometer, millimeter, do you know the relationships?
Not really.
Not yet, so it's okay. So they're like technically siblings in some way. It's like you and Elijah, siblings in some way. The other one is bigger than the other one. So, for example, one oh 1 kilometer, 1 kilometer is equivalent to 1,000 meters. So whenever you see 1 kilometer, it means 1,000 meters. And when you see 1 meter, it's actually equivalent to 100 centimeters. Yes. And when you say 1 centimeter, it's equivalent to 10 millimeters. Yes, something like that. And actually, there are actually more. There's decimeter, there's nanometer, micrometer, but it does we don't have to discuss about them. Oh wait, but we can add decimeter though, because so 1,000 or we could just make it into 100 dm. 1 dm is equals to 10 m. Something like that. But this one is not mostly used, so it's okay if we don't use that. So when we see 1 kilometer, Gwen, for example, if I say 1 kilometer, how many meters again can we have from 1 kilometer?
You can have 1,000 meters.
Yes, 1,000 meter. Yes, 1,000 meters. And then for 1,000 meters, how many centimeters can we have from it?
100.
No, 1,000 meter. 1 meter is equivalent to 100. But if we have 1,000 meter, how many centimeter? So it's a big number, right? Or we could just 1,000 times 100. We could just do that. and then we'll get 100,000 centimeter in 1 kilometer. So that's a lot of number. And we'll not go into 1 centimeter to into how many millimeters, because it's gonna be a lot. But yeah, so based on that, do you know the answer for this? So the one I draw. So I want you to answer in M. So this is where I will introduce to you the word conversion. Do you know what conversion is, by the way?
Mm,
Like in speaking terms, like when someone says you will convert something, what comes into your mind?
you're gonna like convert this into that, basically.
What?
Like basically, you have a square, you're gonna convert it to a circle.
Yeah, so whenever it convert technically means to change or to,
Okay.
yeah, to change. So that's why our topic today is conversion. I mean, it's a bit different from what you're discussing, but it's actually part of it. So I'm just teaching you the details so that whenever you're facing difficult problems in your school or in this topic, you'll know, oh, I know what to do. So conversion. So for example, when my question for this number, let's just say this is number one. For my question for number one, I want you to answer this in terms of M or in terms of meter. So when I say
So,
in terms of meter, so it means that the answer should have the final this, like M, M squared or something like that. So since this side here is already in meters, so we don't have to convert this into anything else. However, this one, 150 centimeters already is still in centimeter, and we have to convert it into a meter. So how do we do this? Do you have any idea?
I guess you could convert the meters into 200 centimeters.
We could do that, but my question is in meter. So since 20 meters already in meter, we need to convert 150 centimeter into meter. Yes, exactly. That's actually correct. And how do we solve for the area? This one.
I don't really know.
So it's technically just 20 meters times 1.5. And do you know how to solve numbers with points, with decimals?
Not really with a normal number.
Not yet. So, that's another topic we're gonna discuss. So, if I ask you, Gwen, how to solve 1.5 times 3, do you know how to answer this? 1.5 times 3? そう、you're done. So, when answer decimal, so we should, for example, like this, 1.5 times 3. So you should always count how many how many numbers are after the decimal. In this case, it's 1. That's why we just have 1 here. So for example, if it's like this, 0.3, 0.35 times 15. Can you try to solve this?
Mhm.
っていうふうに求めることができる。こうちょっと四角を使ったし、縦かける横は面積。じゃあ四角は40を8で割ればわかるよ。5だよ。ここの四角の中は5だったんだよ。で、5発生する。はい、こういう問題も出てきます。出てきてはい、はい、じゃあちょっと練習問題ね。面積が50、横が10。
That's correct. And how about if it's like this? 5.432. 25. This is
わけわ
point
かんない。だけど
times
面積は50平方センチメートル。
1.32.
はい。四角かける10は、四角かける10は、
うん。
はい。
Okay, let me make this into
50。
like that.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
じゃなくて、四角を見つけたければ、
Mhm.
四角は、はい、50割る10。
Mhm.
はい。じゃあ、50割る10っていくつ？ 50割る10。50割る10。
By the way, are you classmates with Neo?
No.
Oh, is she younger than you?
Yeah, a few months younger than me.
割り
Oh,
算なんでね、一個ずつ、一個ずつね、ゼロ取ってやってもいいよ。簡単。ゼロ一個ずつ取ってやって。5は1っていう。でも、まあ、全部あるのか。いい5が5でしょ。こことここの掛け算って全然ない。いい5が5で答え5。四角は5。10は10は5。ってことは、僕はセンチでしたよ。10×5 は50ですね。縦の長さは、はい、答え5センチ。ということがわかります。面積の問題で、面積分かってて、縦横どっちかが分かってる、どっちか分かんないときは割り算で。はい、じゃあ、これ、面積。
by the way, if you need help,
はい、
just tell me if you need help.
面積何平方センチですか？
When I got confused where I put the numbers.
Okay, okay.
Where did I put them?
Okay.
Okay, so
Okay. I'll just write here. Okay. Tell me if you're done answering. Do you think you're done?
not yet.
Not yet. Okay. Like if you think like, oh my gosh, you really have no clue how to do it, just tell me. I'll tell you then how to solve it. Or rather, not really how to solve it, but more like a tip on how to solve it.
こっち側は何ですか？
Okay.
Okay, you're done. Okay, so whenever answering something like this, so we went very far, right? From rectangles to kilometers and centimeters to decimals. So it's okay. So this is how we dissect or how we learn the small details. So in this case, 5.4325 times 1.32. So what you're gonna do first, Gwen, is you do not mind the decimal points yet. So you just multiply it as a normal number. Like do not add any points yet. So 2 times 5, we have 10. Times 2, we have 5 here. 6. 2 times 4, 8. And then we have 10. So do not put the decimal yet. So we don't care about the decimal yet. I mean, not yet. So 3 times 5 is 15. Times 2, 6, 7. It's 9. 3 times 4, it's 12. 3 times 5 is 15, 16. So, oh, this is 16. It looks an ugly 16. 16. Yeah. And we have 5, 2, and that's 3, 4, and then 5. Now, so notice that I did not put any points yet, like the decimal point. So after that, we will like 0, 0, because it's 10. So 6 plus 1, 7, plus 7, 14, so 29. Am I right? Is it 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 plus
I
7?
think it's 19.
What?
I think it's 19.
6. There's 1 here. 5 plus 5 is 10.
Yeah.
So that's why we put another one here. Now, 7 plus, so this 6 plus 1 is 7, right?
Yeah.
7 plus 7
14.
plus 5,
Yeah, it's 19.
that's 19. Because we have 1 here. So another 8 plus 1, that's 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. Plus 2, we have 21. So 2, 0 plus 2 is 2, plus 2, that's 4, plus 3, that's 7. And then 1 plus 6 plus 1 plus 6 plus 4 is 10, plus 1, it's 11. And then 1 plus 1 plus 5 is 7. So that's it. So we have 7171900. And what do we do with the zeros when they're very far? we usually just like just let them be like that. Cancel them out. So we're left with 71719. Now, this is where we put our points. So we have 5.4325 and 1.33. Now, which of the two numbers has the most decimal places? Is this one or this one?
The top.
The top one. So it has 4 decimal places. Let's count. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. So whenever doing answer X, so you always choose the one with the most decimal points. So in this case, there's 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll start here. We'll start here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's our answer. 7.1719. So if we ask help from their calculator, we still have the same answer. Oh, this one is 0. Because 18 plus 2 is 20. My bad. Not 21. But yeah. 61709. So do you know how to answer this now?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So we'll go back. My gosh. We've come so far. So we will go back to this one, the conversion part. So let's make it into a number 2 here. Oh, by the way, Gwen, do you know how to answer for a circle or not yet?
A what?
A circle. Like it's almost the same like we have measurements in the shape, but you'll be using a circle. Do you know how to get the answer for a circle or not yet? You did not discuss it. Okay, so it's fine.
Not really.
It's okay. By the way, if you have any questions, Gwen, feel free to ask me if you have any questions, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So what time is it, by the way? It's 9:25. So we still have like, I don't know, how many minutes do we have? 20 minutes?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine. Do you want to end early later, like around 5 minutes earlier? Do you want that? Or do you want to have a small rest? Would you like that?
Sure.
Okay. Since you like that, I'll give you like a series of things to answer. Here. So it depends on how fast you answer these questions, and then you will have an early way. I'll probably just create, I don't know, just Is 4 questions enough or is it too small?
Sure.
Okay, 3 questions.
68まで。
By the way, what's your ethnicity, by the way, Gwen? Are you like American or
I'm
European?
American. I'm
You're
American.
American. You're full American.
Mm-hmm.
So this one here would be 500 centimeter. This one would be like, and answer in here should be in centimeter. In centimeter. This one is, oh, so it's 425 centimeter. And this one here is 1.5 meter. The answer in here should be in meters. And in this part, it's, what if it be used? Kilometers. So this one is
So this one's centimeters.
what?
So the one
Yes.
at the, okay.
Yes, is in centimeters. So you can start answering now, by the way. This one is in meters. So, okay.
1センチ、1センチ、縦1センチ、横1センチ。これなんていう面積だった？これは1平方センチメートル。1平方センチ。これがいくつあるかで何平方センチメートルっていうふうに面積を表せたので、じゃあ今度は縦が、これ何だっけ？7センチ。100センチ。100センチって何メートル？100センチって何メートルのこと？長さがっていうのがいい。100センチって何メートル？これ何メートル？これここまで何メートル？ 100 メートル？ 10 メートル？ 1メートル？知らない。覚えて。1メートル。1メートル。あなたたちだって身長1メートル20センチとか30センチじゃない？ 10 メートルちょっとないよねって言ったら1メートルと65センチぐらい。だからこれって1メートルと100センチのことは1メートルって知らなかった？ね、覚えて、100センチ、1メートル。はい。じゃあ、縦1メートル。横1メートルの正方形がありました。
Okay.
Okay, you're done. So let's check for number 1. For number 1, it's 500 and this one is 2 meter becomes 200. So 500 times 200, let's try. 500 times 200. That's 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, and then 0, 0, 10. 0, 0,
なんか
Zero.
ね、はい。こ
Aha.
れね、じゃあヒロさんはなんて言
It
ったらいいの
seems that you are lacking 1-0 for number 1.
もしこれ1センチ、今まで習ったこの1センチね。1センチ、
Actually,
2センチ、
Gwen,
1センチで
I have
バーッと並べ
a
る
small
と、
a small
100
trick
本
for you, or a tip whenever you're
100
encountering
本いける
problems
でし
like
ょ
this.
でこ
So
の力
whenever you
ここまで
encounter
なんか
problems like this, by the way, Gwen, like
うん。
500 times
100
200,
個あるよね。じゃあこの数はいくつあ
like
るかっていうと、
numbers that involves a lot of zeros. So just do this.
1
So,
万
for example, 500 times
だから
200.
これって、この
So
ちっちゃい
you
や
don't
つ
need to
が
multiply
1
all the
万個入って
zeros.
る
You just need to
数
multiply
える
this
よ
one.
ね。大変
5
だ
and
よ
2. So what's 5 times
100 だ
2?
から。
10.
1万
10.
平
That's it.
方
10. And then you just copy the 4 zeros. That's it.
Oh.
Yeah, you just do that. For example, if we have
そのために、
fif-
はい、新し
we
い
have
単
wait,
位を作ります。
1000
これです
times 25.
そういうことにしましょう。
That's technically just
縦
25
1
times
メートル、
1. So
横1メ
25
ートル
and
の
then 3
正方形
zeros.
のこの面積
Just do that
を
for
これにしちゃい
simplicity.
ましょ
Okay, for number 2. Yeah, that's correct. There's 4.25 and 1.5. So there's 3 decimal places
う。
now.
そ
So
う、
that's
平
1.3.
方。
Yeah, that's good. Very
そう
good.
です。
This
こ
one,
の
let's
次は
check.
1
It's
平方と
5,000
1
and
メート
3,000.
ル。
So 5 times 3, it's
平方。
15. We have
これ
how
は
many zeros? 1,
1
2,
メ
3,
ートル
4,
だ
5,
け
6.
ど、
1,
本当
2,
は1
3,
メートルだけど、
4,
面
5,
積だ
6.
から、
Yeah, I think that's it. So we have 15
やっぱり
million.
平方
And
って
what's
こ
the
と
unit, by the way, for
1 メ
15
ートルに
million?
くっつけてる。
It's in
そうそうそう、1平
meters
方。
squared.
1平方。
So yeah, that's it.
新し
So
い
do you
単
have any questions,
位。だ
Gwen?
からこれが2つあれば、
Not really? Okay. So I think that's it for today.
4
Since you understood the lesson very, very well.
この
It's,
前
I commend you for your
まあ大体どう
for
1、
your
2、
for
3、
being
4
smart.
平
So I
方メ
think
ート
that's
ル
it.
ぐらい。
So thank you so much, Gwen.
ね。
So I think
4
see you
つぐらい
next
で
week.
すよね。
Goodbye.
Bye.
約ね、約4平方メートルの方にっていうふうに言うことができる。そのことがいろいろ書いてある。